Hey you guys, it's Chloe Dash and I'm back with another video. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and join our family. So we're just going to jump right into this sexy look. I'm taking my CoverGirl True Blend Illuminating Primer and I'm just going to rub that all over my face. A lot of people ask why people, add glow onto their face prior to putting on their foundation. It's usually so that the glow can kind of shine through the foundation, and for me, it just adds even more glowy layers prior to putting on the makeup to me. So now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics liquid matte lipstick. This is just a red matte lipstick. You can use any red matte lipstick. I recommend using a matte lipstick because if you blend it out very quickly, it'll dry as you blend it and it will make it much easier to add your foundation. I'm taking this LA Girl Luminous Glow Illuminator. This is another liquid illuminator and I'm just going to apply that first. You can also directly mix it with your foundation if you want to. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in Nutmeg, and it's almost done, all right? But I'm not letting it go because there's still a little more in there, okay? So I ended up breaking the damn stick because I was being so rough. But I'm just mixing that with the Luminous Glow and blending it out. Honestly, till this day, this is one of the best foundations I've ever used. It honestly melts into your skin. It blends very well. It dries very well. It smells very well. I like, however you feel about Huda Beauty or however you feel about the brand itself, has nothing to do with how bomb this foundation is. It really is. And there's not a lot of people who get it right. And I like to believe that one of the reasons why a lot of companies don't get it right is just because they don't want to. Because then there's people like this who get it right, and it's like, wow, if she could get it right, why can't you? So anyway, I found my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette somewhere in my closet, and I know y'all saw how beat up it was, but I'm using it because I was like, wow, I really spent a whole bunch of money on this palette and I hardly ever use it. I don't even know why it looks that crazy. So I took that third shade, can't remember what it's called, but I'll post it in the description bar, and I'm taking the second to darkest shade to contour. I don't even cream contour anymore, but it was just so tempting. I'm like, oh my god, let me just get this done. So I'm just adding that, the highlight under my eyes and the contour near my nose and my cheekbones. Honestly, when I cut my hair, I felt like I didn't have to do this much. Like, it was like the bare minimum for me. Like, once you cut your hair, it just strips away everything and it makes you feel like you're already naked. Like, you're yourself and you are free. And it's so much work to put so much makeup on. And I don't know what happened yesterday that I was like, wow, let me put on this much makeup. But usually when I cut my hair, I'm not throwing on no layers of makeup like this. But I feel like when I think like that, I put myself in this box still. Like, okay, I have short hair, so I can't wear a full beat. Or I have short hair, so I should wear hoop earrings. Or I have long hair, so I should wear a whole drag beat. It like you can do whatever, no matter what hairstyle you have. So I'm trying to just get that together. I'm taking my Black Radiance setting powder. This is their banana setting powder, which I still have not found anything to top it. It is fine. It is beautiful. It melts into your skin. I don't know what I was listening to while I was recording this video, but I was enjoying it a lot. I also have not baked in a while. I've been setting under my eyes and going because for some reason I've just been super dry lately, and I think it's because I have been detoxing my face a lot. If you guys would like a video on how I do that, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, and we'll get that done. Brows. Okay, effects. But yeah, I think that's why. But I'm just going to bake while we get to the eyes. I'm taking a little bit of this Black Radiance HD corrector, and I'm using that as a base on my lids and blending that out. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to get this eye together. This is another thing that I don't do since I cut my hair. I hardly wear eyeshadow, and I was not going to go this dramatic or as dramatic as I'm about to go. It was just like, this is where we're at, and this is where we're going to stay. So might as well get comfortable here. Like that's how it happened, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it unfold. Okay, I am terrible at explaining what I'm doing on the eyes. Just know I'm using a bunch of brushes and I'm blending everything out. I'm going back and forth and I'm blending some more. I'm not double dipping into any colors with the brushes. I'm going smaller every time I change the brush, and yeah, I'm making it work, all right? I feel like a lot of people watch makeup videos and they see people do makeup and they're like, oh my God, teach me so I can go home and do it. But honestly, how many tutorials have you guys watched that even when they're doing what you want to do, it doesn't come out exactly the same way? You know why? Because it's trial and error. Those same people are trying it 1,000 times and getting it right and putting up the best version on the camera on your screen. You know what I mean? Like, and I don't want to be psyched out, and I try not to psych you guys out. Like, you can do whatever it is I do. It might not look the same, but with trial and error and with time, you can do it. Just like anything else out there, you can do whatever you put your mind to. You just literally have to keep trying and practicing, just like everybody else and just like everyone who you watch here on YouTube. So just watch and learn, and yeah, because I'm learning too. So I'm taking some concealer. I'm cutting my crease. I'm not cutting it as high as I usually do because I'm still trying to learn how to kind of do that after doing my whole face. I've been loving doing my whole face and then my eyeshadow, though, I can tell you that. This color was really, really smooth. I expected it to go on a little bit more patchy, and I was very, like, pleasantly surprised when it slid on so nicely. I'm losing my voice, and I know I sound probably really disgusting right now, but y'all gonna have to bear with me. So I'm just cleaning it up, and then I'm taking this jet black liquid eyeliner from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna create a little baby wing. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic. You guys know I usually go for a super dramatic wing, but I wanted to just do like a little line for the lash. And here I am back with the lashes, and I'm going back with the same colors that I use on the top of my lid for under the eyes. Again, this is something that you just kind of want to play with and give yourself like a gradient look. I start with a bright color and then I start to darken it from the midsection. Now I'm just dusting away the rest of that powder. As you guys can see, it really does just dust away really smoothly and nicely. And I'm taking this Makeup Geek palette. I believe this is the Ebony palette, but I might be wrong, and I'll put it in the description bar. And I'm just going to contour my face with that and just really bring back some of that life and color and dimension to my face. This Revlon mascara is bomb. It really is amazing. I'm taking the highlighter from that Makeup Geek palette, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. I like to go at the top of my cheeks because you guys know I do have dimples, so I try to go at like that top high point to really give myself that, I don't know, it really makes my cheekbones pop. And then I kind of blend it out with that powder brush, and yeah, this is basically the look. I'm lining my lips with this lip liner from LA Girl. I think this is in chocolate. And then I'm taking this Becca lip gloss and I'm just going right on top of it. Really, the lip gloss didn't do anything but add some sheen to the lip. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I definitely did. If you guys would like to see more, please thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video.